Piece overload is a very powerful strategy in chess, which involves forcing an enemy piece to perform too many defensive functions simultaneously. When a piece is overloaded, it cannot protect everything it defends, allowing you to create threats, win material, or open decisive lines to the king. Piece overload in chess manifests itself in two primary variants, one that is related to material, occurring when a single piece defends multiple pieces simultaneously, and another involving critical squares, where a piece protects important positions while simultaneously defending another piece. In the material overload variant, we observe that the pawn faces a dilemma, as it doesn't know which of the two pieces it should defend. White moves their bishop, capturing the knight, and then forces the pawn to decide whether to capture the bishop or lose another piece. The opponent then decides to capture the bishop, but white immediately responds by capturing the bishop as well, leaving the black pieces in a very complicated situation. Grandmasters often use the concept of material overload when an enemy piece is forced to defend two or more pieces simultaneously. By attacking one of them, the opponent is forced to decide what to protect, which allows you to gain material and leave them in a very complicated position. In the critical overload variation, if we take a closer look, the black queen is overloaded. She's defending both the knight and the bishop at the same time. It's white's turn, and they deliver checkmate with a rook, but the opponent defends with their queen. White then captures the bishop, putting all of the black pieces at significant risk. Finally, black plays their queen to defend the king, but white makes a move and delivers checkmate. Grandmasters use critical overload to put their opponent in trouble, forcing mistakes that bring them closer to winning the game. Do you want to identify and understand when a piece overload occurs? Enroll in BlackChess Academy, where you'll learn to master using and defending the most crucial strategies. Find the link in the description below.